IPS ਮੈਥ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਘਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੀ YouTube ਤੇ ਮੈਥ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਲਈ IPS ਮੈਥ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਹੋਰਨਾਂ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਵਾਓ। IPS math classes all the student of 8th class in English medium science version. We have to start. If you are not subscribed channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, question number 41, in which region are kharif crops grown? Option A, rainy season. Question number 42, which pesticide are used to remove weeds from the crop? Option A, 2, 4D. 43 number question, which of the following microorganism can be seen only with the help of microscope? And option D is right answer, all of these. The modern method of irrigation is option D, sprinkle system. The most common carrier of communication disease is option B, housefly. 46, the process of conversion of sugar in alcohol is called option C, fermentations. 47, which of the following is an antibiotic? Option B is right answer. Sodium metal is stored in, option B is right answer. 49 number question, which of the following is non-metal? Option B, carbon. 50, the metal which is found in liquid form is option C, mercury. 51 number question, name the gas released when the metal react with acid. Option B, hydrogen. 52, which of the following gases is sputter in consumptions? Option A, oxygen. 53, which of the following is combustible substances? Option C, paper. The condition for consumptions are option B, fuel, air and ignition temperature. 55 number question, while executing fire of electric wire and electric instrument, which of the following item is not used? Option B, water. 56 number question, in which book is record an endangered specific kept? Option B, red data book. The increase in the level of which gas causes global warming? Option A, carbon dioxide. 58 number question, the species found in the particular area is called dash. Option A, endemic species. Which of the following cell organ is found in the plants only? Option B, chloroplast. Who discovered the cell? Option A, Robert Hooke. 61 number question, thread like structure found in the nucleus of a cell is called option C, chromosome. The number of nuclei found in the chordates is option P, 1. 63 number question, by which process is tadpole developed into the adult? Option B. 64 number question, anabiosis of fission produced to amoeba. Which type of asexual reproduction is this? Option B, binary fission. 65 number question, the pressure exerted by water at the bottom of the container depends upon option A, height of column. 66 number question, while carrying luggage on the railway station, a coolie often roll his cloth and place it on head. This is to the option D, reduce the pressure. 67 number question, force is option C, push or pull an object. 68 number question, a camel can easily walk barefooted on the sand while we cannot because surface area. Option A is right answer. 69 number question, it is difficult to walk on wet floor because option B, fatigue friction force reduction. Option B. 70 number question. Rolling friction is dash. Option C. Less the static friction. 71 number question. 4 children were asked to arrange rolling, static and sliding friction in the decreasing order. Choose the correct arrangement. Option C. Static, sliding, rolling. 72. Moving ball on the floor stops after some time because. Option C. Friction force act on it. 73 number question. What is the angle of reflection if the angle of incidence is 45 degree? Option D. 45 degree. 74 number question. When the angle between two plane mirror is 60 degree, number of images formed are dash. Option B. 5. Last question. Images formed by a plane mirror is. Option B. Virtual. Hopefully you have done all the questions. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Next further update.